singing bowl. That's what we're looking at today. It's by Sample Science. They have a lot of free instruments. This is one of them. Definitely check them out. Most of them are in the database. I have to update them pretty frequently because they also release updates. So it's worth checking out older instruments. There might be an update for them if you use them. So this one's Meditate. They have like some general controls here. What I really like about these instruments is they are sample stretched the entire keyboard. Every developer of sample libraries should just do that. There should be a patch that does that. I could play all the way down here. There's no singing bowl that plays stuff that low. At least if it does, then that's a pretty crazy singing bowl. It's got to be pretty dang big. Oh, there's nothing on the very highest keys. We go all the way up to super freaking high G. So sample stretched. I wish more companies did that. It's really nice that these are stretched. So that's the first one. This is Concentrate. Got some of that, you know, the overtone goodness. Here's, what is this? Midjourney. Some great texture variation. Not really a tonal thing you do though, huh? Octaves tend to work well. Fifths probably would work pretty well. Yeah. Some great opportunities for some low end there. Metallic drone. All right, let's hear it. How tonal would this be? Let's try playing a major chord. So they've tuned this, so you can play chords. If we roll up, will we get that nice swooping if we time it just right? Sounds kind of random. That's pretty nice. Here's a metallic drone too. Let's do a minor chord this time. Reverb it out. There you go. Let's hit harder hit. A little more. These are also tuned, so this is a very tonal patch. Well, maybe I spoke too soon. Up higher, they sounded good. Wow, that has a super different feel. Normally that progression doesn't sound like that. Do some high stuff. Mellow Hit. It's a nice sound. Winter drone. Oh, this is a texture one. That's a long fade. You're gonna need to write long notes for this. Super long fades. I hit it pretty hard. Not a ton of difference. Higher stuff. It is very slow to respond. You're right with this. It's got to be sweeping motions. Feedback bowl. Sound design patch. Almost Bell. Aisle 8. This is a cleanup. Almost Bell. Light Hit. How many we got here? We got 20. Holy crap. That's your light hit. Bell sound. Soft drone. Let's do something in a different key. I've been in C. Let's do C minor. Why not? This is kind of nice. Soft drone. It's kind of a pluck. I don't know if I'd call it a drone. Singing bowl pad. A bowl pad. Let's play something with a freaking lots of notes. That's pretty cool. They've got like reversal type sounds in here. Do a sweep, maybe up a C minor. The last note didn't quite sit the way I hoped it would, but you know, it was there. Got your Chakra Straightener. Was it Taco Bell? Is that are they the ones, or is Del Taco? Can't remember which one is the bell. I guess it gotta be Taco Bell, right? Because they got Bell in the name. That's a nice one. 15, Dream Bowl. Deep Bowl. Chakra Bell. Again. Well, the other one was a Chakra Straightener. Pure tone. It sounds very far away. Definitely a patch that would be good as a layer, or maybe some really relaxing frictions. I don't know how relaxing that was. It was kind of stressful. This is relaxing. That singing bowl resonance. Let's pull it up in the free database. So there are two here. We'll maybe cover this one someday. This one's really old. This one's definitely higher quality. Very, very cool. Deep sampled. It's not like super deep sampled, but you heard it. It sounds really good. And it's available in a ton of formats. AU, Contact, if you have Contact, decent sampler. And then there's just the VST3, which is the one I'm using. It's the one I'd recommend. Just shy of 90 megabytes, so pretty cool. If we go to their site, you can sort of see everything here and download it. And I don't remember. So yeah, it's available for like friggin' everything. Yeah, if you go with decent sampler, it gives you access to a couple more DAWs. So if you need something compatible with like Pro Tools, for example, you may need to use the decent sampler version. It is sort of free, and that means that it requires like an email or some other piece of information from you before you can get it. So that's what sort of free means. Straight up free means you don't need to provide anything. You hit download, and there is a download provided that requires no extra anything from you. So that's that. If you have any questions about this, feel free to let me know. Subscribe and hit that bell icon for future videos, and have a blessed day.